In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Apple Maps route not available. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network since Apple Maps need an internet connection to calculate routes and load map data. Next, confirm that location services are enabled by launching settings. Scroll down, head over to the option privacy and security. Go to location services, toggle on for the option location services, then click on Apple Maps. Check in for the option while using app. Toggle on for the option precise location. If the issue continues, try searching for the destination again or entering a more specific address as some locations may not have complete routing information or may be temporarily unavailable. You should also close Apple Maps completely and reopen it, then restart your iPhone or iPad to refresh the GPS and network connections. Make sure you are using the latest version of iOS for that launch settings. Go to General, go to Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, head back. Scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Location and Privacy and complete the process. Now completely delete Apple Maps from your device and reinstall it. With these, your problem might be resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.